Despite all the accolades for Mark Buehrle, the White Sox are quietly slipping, in danger of being swept by the Twins before welcoming the league-leading Yankees. Chicago looked to Jose Contreras, making a spot start for Bartolo Colon. Colon, placed on the 15-day disabled list, with swelling in his right elbow. Bottom of the second inning, 2 on for Contreras, and Alexei Casilla will bring one of them home. A ground rule double into the people brings in Carlos Gomez. It's 1-0 Minnesota. Next batter, Denard Span, will ground out to second base, but Nick Punto will cross home, and it's 2-0 for the home team, but Contreras will get Justin Morneau to strike out to end the inning. Brian Duensing is making his first major league start, 10th appearance in the big leagues. Leading off the third, Jason Nix will homer off him. For Duensing, he's replacing Francisco Liriano. Leading off the fifth, more bad news for Duensing. Carlos Quentin homers off of him. It's Quentin's first home run since returning from the DL on July 20th. Bottom of the fifth, Jermaine Dye. Nice defensive play to rob Justin Morneau in right field. And then bottom of the sixth, Randy Williams on the hill. Alexei Casilla will get this one to drop in front of Scott Podsednik. The bottom of the Twins lineup getting things done in this game. Joe Crede scores. Minnesota takes a 3-2 lead. Joe Nathan in the top of the ninth gets Jermaine Dye, but then Nathan would deal a walk to Paul Konerko, so then he gets Chris Getz to strike out, but the pitch goes wild, gets away from Mauer, moves the runners into scoring position, and then Mark Kotsay, making his White Sox debut, flies out to right field to end the game, and the Twins go on to win 3-2. Joe Nathan gets his 20-9 save. Minnesota Twins sweep the White Sox. They win this game 3-2. The White Sox now have 6 losses in 7 games on their current road trip, and their shortstop, Alexa Ramirez, had to leave the game in the 7th inning with an injury after sliding into second base. Pay attention if you live in the state of Illinois. Thursday is Mark Buehrle Day.